Well, if you enjoy the great outdoors to recharge, you know it's hard to find a place to recharge your electronics if need be, but not anymore thanks to a device that's been designed in this province. This is the WaterLily Turbine.
So WaterLily is a micro turbine for hikers, campers, canoers and kayakers.
It can charge electronics using water or wind power.
Devices like cell phones, GPSs, cameras, and even nowadays flashlights, lighters, everything's becoming rechargeable.
And it's designed by a team from this province.
So we've actually been working on this technology for about 10 years at Memorial University.
But at first they were trying to design a turbine that would generate power for underwater sensors offshore, but they changed their minds and made a miniature version instead, which now is helping others power up.
We also have a group that's doing a trek across Iceland by foot, and they're going to be using the WaterLily as their sole source of power for that trip.
CEO Andrew Cook says the WaterLily has been sold in more than 42 countries so far. Here's how it works.
Well, you have your rope and you have your charger, and this is your output cable.
Then throw it in fast-moving water and plug in your device.
That's going to be making some energy right there.
The real novel piece about the WaterLily is that you can put it in a river and recharge your device using river power and water power, but it'll also work in wind. So on a nice windy day, you can hang it from a tree and recharge your devices that way as well, although water power is always the best.
The WaterLily can charge a cell phone in 2 to 4 hours, and they're also designing a way to make it work in an emergency.
Where we have a hand crank now that you can use to actually turn the WaterLily by hand. So if it's an emergency situation and you don't have water and wind, you can hand crank it and charge your device and to get enough power to make a call. We're also working on other accessories like bike mounts, tripod mounts, wind vanes to help it orient with the wind better. So there's a whole bunch of things that are going to be coming out in the future that will attach on to WaterLily.